30th birthday. Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mary.
Alright, woman you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup.
Guys, this was so funny. This is amazing. You can sell whatever you know. Guys, you can sell anything you know. So I will show you how to do that. What is this site? Actually, this site is not a new one. This is till 2010 this site is visible. Many people earn a lot of money through that. I joined this site 2014. Just type Fiverr, but if I type Fiverr, many people think, yes, we did that, but it's not success. But listen, this strategy, this system will work 100% for you. But first I will type Fiverr in a Google. Just go to the Fiverr, and here this is the official site. Before I go to official site, I will explain what is Fiverr if you still don't know. So Fiverr is a freelancing site. So think to sell something. For example, you know how to edit the videos, you know how to create some beautiful logo, so you can join with the Fiverr, you can do that. But if you don't know that, for example, if you don't know this anything, but you know how to speak to the people, you know how to cook, you know how to dance, that also you can sell that. Guys, first I will explain who started the Fiverr. Fiverr started the Micha Kaufman. The Kaufman is started and based on Jerusalem, Israel. So in the Wikipedia they say like that. It started 2010. So I will show you the official site. This is the official website. This is the Fiverr official site. You can go up and down and see what they offer and what are the other people doing with the Fiverr. So I just type like this. For the moment, just to forget any other things. Just think you can wish someone. For example, for wishing birthday, I will type here wishing birthday. Okay, happy birthday wishes. Guys, listen. See, the people are wishing to birthday and they earn some money. You can wish someone and you can earn some money. I just show you how they wishing. Okay, first one here. You see how they wishing? They're wishing for $10. They're wishing for $10, right? And here is the description. So they say, in this video I will dance and sing to wish your funny happy birthday wishes. And there are other things as well. They do all the things, and you can select whatever package. So you can be someone like that. You just want to be a creativity. So I will show you how they're wishing. Just
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
This video is for Mary. 30th birthday. Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mary.
Alright, woman you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup.
guys, this was so funny. This is amazing. You can sell whatever you know. Even this is nothing big thing. For example, you don't know how to make a logos, you don't know how to make a videos, you don't know what are the computer language like HTML or whatever things, but you know like this. I will show you another video. Only thing you need to be a little bit creativity and just talent. And I will show you someone. If you think you know how to dance, okay, how to dance, right? How to dance. I will show you. You see the people, they're showing how to dance. You know maybe better than other to dance, but you don't have a platform to show the people. But here this is the best platform to sell that. So for example, I'll take this, and this is I will teach you how to tap dance. You see, this is one method of dancing, and she's tried to teach how to do that. She has a 3 package. Normally you can make a 1 package, or you can divide a 3 package when you start the Fiverr like this, and $10 and $15. There are different categories. I'm going down here. You see that here what she's saying. In this video I will break down, demonstrate various of dance tap steps, and you see, if you know even your traditional dance, just to show the people, you can teach someone interesting, definitely, and you can earn extra money. So forget that. Think you don't know how to dance, maybe you're just shy to wishing to others. Think about, you know how to cook, right? Just type how to cook. See how many people they share their knowledge through the internet, through the Fiverr, and earn amazing income. Guys, you can eat whatever dishes in the morning. Just ask your grandmother, just ask your mother, just ask your wife. Maybe you know better than others how to cook. Look at this. Have a look at this one. So I will show you how to cook any Morocco recipes. $10. Just go and see what he's doing. 2-day delivery. Only you need to know, only you need to do how you cook and what are the things you use that. Using that you can create a small article or maybe some video and just sending the people who interesting. So this method is amazing. So there are a lot of things I can discuss with you about the Fiverr, but the Fiverr is still live. Guys, Fiverr is still live. You can earn a lot of money using a various way. So for example, if you know some digital knowledge, for example graphic designing, and here graphic and designing, if you know logo designing, brand style guiding, business card, so illustration, so there are many things. And here game designing, you can count how many things. And here the social media marketing, SEO is one of the great topic. I mean, everybody want to bring their website to the first page of the Google, and they need more business, so you can help if you know that. So, and the writing skills, write and blog posts, that's also very interesting topic. And video and animation, whiteboard animation, there are a lot. Music and audios and programming, if you know how to make a WordPress website and how to make some HTML website, so that is nothing but a business. And the lifestyle, online lessoning, have a look at this. If you know how to translate, if you know how to teach something to the people, that also you have a chance to earn a lot of money. So in this video I explain, even you don't know some digital product knowledges and some digital knowledge, but you can earn some money with the Fiverr. Fiverr is an excellent platform, there's no question about that. So you need to know before you start Fiverr, there are very basic things. Internet, and because you need to upload the files and contact with your buyers, and you need to have a laptop or mobile phone. Even the mobile phone now you can do, because Fiverr create a smart app, then it is very easy for you. You have to specify which talent you will sell. For example, you can talk to the people, you can wish that, or you can go to digital production, for example like graphic designing or video editing, something like that, maybe logo designing, whatever. You have to create some samples. You have to create some samples, and then I will show you what are the samples. For example, this guy, okay, I'm going to the logo design, for example like this, and this is the logo design person, look at this, the $100, 4.9, right? 9 people already buy. But you know, some people they don't put the comment, they don't rate it, but they buy the products, which means he earn a lot of money. These are the samples. I mean, what you try to sell, you have to show to the people, then they can clearly analyze, clearly understand you are the suitable person for do this project, because they try to sell some, they try to put the money to make successful their project. So we have a look at this. These are some basic samples for in this this seller, and these are the samples. And next thing what you want to do is you have to create short descriptions, something like that, about this gig. So you can say, explain about your packages. Packages mean this one from here. This is a basic, standard, and premium. We see the standard, $180. $108 he's doing for his standard, and the premium as well to get $250. So that's a lot of money. If you go to 5 project like this, or 4 project, which means you already reached $1,000. And this is a logo design. You have to make a gig and also description like that. I will teach you step by step how to do this, all the things. I will teach you how to make a Fiverr account, how to make a amazing gig. And gig is very important because this all the information you put to the gig, and then that's the place any buyer will come and straightly see how much is that and what are the things you will offer, and work samples. So then work sample is important. It is step number 1. You have to create some work samples based on your things. Maybe you're dancing, then you make some small dancing video and create a small dancing video, so then that people can see, then they will trust you and they will put the money for you to learn through you about dancing. And Fiverr account we will make with our next video. I will explain step by step how to make a Fiverr account. After we make the Fiverr account, I will explain how you want to make a gig. So I hope this video will help you because to understanding what is Fiverr. But if you're still doing the Fiverr, if you're still not successful the Fiverr, that also will help you, because you can think different angles, because most of the people try to think only logo designing or maybe video editing, like whiteboard animation videos, that's all. But there are a lot of ways, there are various ways to earn money through Fiverr. So thank you guys, join with us. You can share this video with your friend who interesting to earn some online money, and you can click the subscribe button and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, then you know exactly the new videos are arrived. Maybe we just upload, you are the first one can see, and you are the first person who can go through this video. That's very important. And leave a comment below in the video, and you have any problems about the Fiverr earning methods, what you did before, that also you can put the comment. So I hope you enjoy this video, I hope you learn something. So next video is how to make your Fiverr account. So listen, someone asked from me how much I can earn Fiverr when I just joined. This is, I can say like that, how many talent you have and how much you can sell, then you can imagine how much you can earn, which means Fiverr earning is unlimited. Guys, this is amazing platform. And join again if you left the Fiverr, and I will tell you, I will teach you how to make proper income with the Fiverr. So next video, again I'm telling to make Fiverr account. This is your first step. So we see you in next video. Thank you very much. Have a good time.